So I invite you to get cozy as we enter into a time of meditation. So snuggle in wherever you are and take a few deep breaths. Maybe take a sip of your tea or your coffee. And let's just breathe into this time of meditation together. So we take a moment to just come apart for a while, to allow the fullness of peace, that peace that is within us, to have its way within our being, to radiate from center to circumference. This peace is the foundation of our practice. This peace is the stillness that offers all the love needed to meet this now moment with wisdom and strength. This peace is the peace that passes all understanding. This peace is the peace that does not need to be earned. It is freely given. It is always available. Let my mind, remember this truth, let my mind be in harmony with this peace, because this peace is in me. It operates in me, through me, and as me. It is the peace of God. It is the peace and the power always available, always accessible, regardless of circumstance and situation. So we take 3 deep breaths as we enter the silence and rest within that space and place of peace. With each inhale and exhale, we allow ourselves to experience the fullness of the silence. So we breathe into this space, allowing the heart center to be at peace, allowing the mind to be relaxed, so that we may be an expression of peace and light to our world. And so it is. Namaste.